Hey Keto fam! Who's ready for the fluffiest, most delicious almond flour pancakes that are 100% keto-friendly and super easy to make? Trust me, after today, you'll never crave regular pancakes again. And hey, before we start flipping these golden beauties, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel Keto Challenge Easy, and tap that bell so you never miss a tasty keto recipe. Also, check the link in the description for my favorite keto-friendly ingredients. Alright, let's get cooking. Here's what you need to whip up the best keto pancakes ever. 2 large eggs, because fluffy pancakes need protein power. A 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk, keeps it light and smooth. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, adds that cozy, warm flavor. 1 cup almond flour, low-carb, gluten-free, and packed with goodness. 1 teaspoon baking powder, makes them rise like magic. 1 tablespoon sweetener, monk fruit or erythritol, no sugar crash. 2 tablespoons melted butter, for that rich, golden texture. Got everything? Let's mix it up. Keycap 1. Whisk it up. Crack the eggs into a bowl, add almond milk and vanilla. And whisk like your life depends on it. Okay, maybe not that intense, but you get the idea. Keycap 2. Mix the dry ingredients. In another bowl, mix almond flour, baking powder, and sweetener. Now, combine the dry and wet ingredients. Stir until smooth, but don't overmix, we want fluffy pancakes, not hockey pucks. Keycap 3. Time to cook. Heat a non-stick pan on medium heat, add a little butter. And pour in your batter. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. Flip carefully, these beauties are delicate. Keycap 4. Top and serve. Stack them up, drizzle some sugar-free syrup. Add fresh berries, and boom, a keto masterpiece. And that's it. The best almond flour pancakes you'll ever taste, fluffy, golden, and keto-approved. If you love this recipe, smash that like button, share this with your keto-loving friends, and comment below, what's your favorite keto breakfast? Oh! And don't forget to click the link in the description to grab my favorite keto ingredients and kitchen tools. And of course, subscribe to Keto Challenge Easy for more delicious, easy, and fun keto recipes. See you in the next video.